All right, guys, welcome back. All right, so we're going to learn about CoinMarketCap today. CoinMarketCap is just like CoinGecko and a couple of other currency price charts that are basically just for the whole crypto market. So it has several different cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. So Coinbase will mainly show just a few of them, but this one shows everything. It's awesome, and it tells you a little bit about the market cap, the volume, circulating supply, charts, etc. But first off, thanks for joining the channel, guys, or coming to watch this video. Really appreciate you watching the channel. It boosts the YouTube algorithm, boosts the channel, and basically tells YouTube you like what you're seeing. And if you like what you're seeing, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you want to leave your wallet address for your Nano wallet in the description, I'll go ahead and send you some free Nano just for leaving a comment. But again, let's dive into the video, and we're going to take a look at CoinMarketCap. So on CoinMarketCap, it has the same feature. You can add it to your watch list, Ethereum, XRP, etc., Tether. These basically go from the I guess the highest market cap to the least. Bitcoin's obviously the first, almost 6 times what Ethereum's is. Let's see. Here we go. So with this feature, you can actually go into each crypto. So let's say we just went into Ethereum. It's the second rank. It has their website, announcement. You can go to their Explorer. This kind of shows you like the Etherscan, the current transactions. So there's one 9 seconds, 23 seconds, 13 seconds. You can go into the wallet, see what it was. This is an OX. So what was this? Yeah, this is just Ether. So you can go into the wallet, see what was there, block confirmations, timestamp from this wallet. Let's see who's in this wallet, and basically it just has the different transactions for it. So it's pretty cool. You can play around with it, look, see what's in there, and you can also read more about the project. So this says here's the Ethereum price. Currently it's at 541.11. 24-hour trading volume is here. Ethereum is up 4% in the last 24 hours. So you guys can kind of read it, see what's going on with it, learn about different things. This tells you a little bit about the project, who are the founders of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, Gavin Wood. Gavin Wood's actually, he did peace off and created Polkadot. Yeah. So he was one of the founders of Polkadot, which is another cool project. Charles Hoskins, he's with this guy. He's with Cardano. Let's see if it probably says it in here. Nah, it doesn't say it right here. But anyways, that's for another video. Ethereum, big project. Everyone knows Vitalik Buterin. He's that skinny, nerdy-looking guy who's super famous. Yeah, that's Vitalik. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You can buy Ethereum on different exchanges. I mean, it's really simple project. With CoinMarketCap, it's almost like CoinGecko. The reason why I use both of them, so for example, let's see. So this is sometimes some will have it and some won't. So Elron, okay, so they finally got this one listed. I was looking for this for a couple days, and I guess it was in the meantime or in between when they changed names. And that does happen. Just like stocks change names, coins can change names too. Let me see, Elron. Yeah, so that's been fixed. For like 2 days, I couldn't pull it up on CoinMarketCap, but now it populates. So you guys can kind of see that yourself. But yeah, go ahead and browse, get familiar with it. It's similar to CoinGecko. You can watch that video as well. It also has the feature where you can add it to a favorite. This is, yeah, don't mess with gambling, guys. Not a good thing. Tells you the historical data, the ratings. It also, I don't think CoinMarketCap does what CoinGecko does. Yeah. So CoinGecko, they'll have like a little, they liked the trading today or didn't like it. So basically, it'll be talking about the price. So it's cool data, good data to have. So these are data sites, which are huge. So you can also look at the recent news. If you guys want to get into the news feed, see what's going on today, see what happened, see why did crypto go down or why did Bitcoin go up. You guys can do some research here. Again, abide by the term DOR, D-Y-O-R, do your own research. So you can go to the front page. There's also some tools that'll talk to you about the currency converter. So you can say, hey, I wonder what the price of BTC is going to be against, I don't know, different currencies. So we can say, how many shillings is it going to be, whatever. It's really flexible. So the site's created to be used by the world, not just the United States. We're not the only people, guys. Remember that. There's tons of people out there. We're actually a small fry compared to the big guys. There's China, India, way more people than us. You got spot, derivatives, DEX. So it's cool. You can go through the site. Also, this is also a cool feature. It shows the gainers and losers, so you can see how much they went up in a 24-hour period. It's crazy. That's not unheard of. 300% in a day. That's not that crazy actually in the crypto market. But then again, 300% down in a day also isn't that crazy. This talks about the headlines. So once you start, it's almost like when you start liking things or add them to your favorites, it'll automatically populate to your news feed to cater towards the things you've favorited. It's similar to a stock exchange right here that just said the running tickers going across. You also have some tools. You can learn about cryptocurrencies, how-to guides, glossary, just different things. Oh, Bitcoin 20K. This is a little thing they have going to win 10K in Bitcoin. Basically, just guess. You enter your Binance account and basically just try to get that set up so you can win some cryptos or win some Bitcoin. Yeah, that's CoinMarketCap in a nutshell. If you guys have any questions or if you like what you saw, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you want me to do a special video or a certain video on something, please leave it in the comments or message me on YouTube and I'll do it for you. Also another feature, obviously you have the charts. You can see the circulating supply, the volume, the market cap, and you can learn about different things. So like this is also like CoinGecko. You can go into DeFi, see what the decentralized finance projects, the storage projects like Filecoin's huge. You can go to yield farming, so Yifi or Wi-Fi token. It's a pretty famous token. We'll do a video on that one as well, so you guys can learn about it. But yeah, go ahead and visit the website. It's coinmarketcap.com, and you can learn about the site. Thanks for watching, guys.